Oh, how you gonna double team it? Justin Bieber! Justin Bieber!
Wait, Justin Bieber is low-key living his best life on. He's not just chilling, he's balling, literally, playing hoops with celebs at The League, an invite-only VIP game in LA. He even pulled up repping Team Skylark, named after his own brand. Fashion plus basketball equals main character energy. And off the court, he's vibing with Haley plus Baby Jack Blues on private lake trips. Soft dad era unlocked, but don't sleep. He's headlining Coachella 2026. Bieber comeback is loading and it's giving grown energy. Follow for more celeb tea. This is Pop Scope.